Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable the batch notifications for any particular Facebook group. So first let's understand what batch notifications actually are. Batch notifications are those notifications which are not just subjected to you but to all of the community within any particular group in Facebook. For example, if someone wants to convey their message to all of the group members, they can simply type at the rate everyone, then type their message, and every person will get a notifications. This can be sometimes annoying as many people use it to spam other persons. So in order to disable the batch notifications, what you can do is simply click on these three vertical dots present at the corner of a screen. Then from here you can see the groups tab right here. Simply click on the groups tab, and from once you have entered the groups page, simply click on this gear setting option at the top corner. Then you can see the following option right here. Simply click on the following option, and then you need to choose any of that particular group from which you are getting a lot of batch notifications and you want to disable them. So for example, I want to disable the batch notifications from this group. Then once you are in this group, what you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots present at the corner of your screen. Then here you can see this manage notifications option. Simply click on this option, and here you can see that this is the batch mentions. So here you can do is simply click on this off button right here. Once you have clicked on the off button, you are all set. You will no further receive any batch mentions notifications in your smartphone. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.